I'm going to pull the fire alarm in volume infinity%. Yug. Neither. Let's get out of here. Neither. Oh, is there on fire? I see it all in the playlist. I know who did it, but the true one, I don't know. I know the real one. It was classic Caillou. I see in the camera. What? Caillou? You're a genius. Yeah. I'm Albert Einstein. That's just a funny joke. Lol. I know who did it. It was Classic Caillou, that Caillou who told me. Let's call Classic Caillou now. Classic Caillou. What is it, boys? Did you pull the fire alarm in infinity% of volume? Yes, I did. What is this place? Get research, lol.